It is probably the easiest topic to score, and you get 4-mark question from this particular portion. So if you attend today's class fully, you are well equipped to get those 4 marks. So shall we get started? Shall we conquer those 4 marks together as a team? Very good. Hello Kushi, very nice to see you here Kushi. Great. Om Ji is also here. Very good evening Om. Aditi is also here. Fantastic. Aditi, nice to see you. Karthi, Vanakkam man. Raju, which is Ruchita. Welcome Ruchita. Nice to have you here. Padma Priya. Great. Srinidhi, I guess. Very good. Srinidhi, nice to see you here. Bhavya, Shravya. Great. So people, let's get started. So today, I'm going to talk about statistics, the easiest chapter to score 4 marks in your JEE Mains exam, which is just round the corner. Okay. So before we get started, let me quickly introduce myself to the entire class over here. I'm so glad you guys have come here right on time, sharp at 9 p.m. You guys are the best, and we will have a very productive, very interesting session together. Got it? And Arun, I will have my dinner after the class. So I was very excited to meet you guys. So I will teach you all and we will conquer it. Then I'll go have my dinner. And Sindhu, welcome. Alia, welcome Alia. Nice to see you. Great. Hello Divya, fantastic. Great. Sagar, yes man, I know the World Test Championship is going on. And New Zealand seems like it's gonna win. But let's see. I want our country to succeed. So let's wait and see. Both the teams are equally good. It is a very interesting match. But more than that, our statistics is more important. So listen to the class carefully, everybody. Rajashekar, expected dates, I feel it might be August. That's what everybody is predicting. So let's wait. Our government will announce it in 1 more week. Vishal, Vignesh, Abhijit, Sri Lakshmi, welcome guys. Lakshman, great. Nice to see you all. Welcome people. So guys, let me quickly introduce myself. Let's get started, okay? People, for those who are new to this channel, my name is Shimon Joseph. I teach mathematics at Vedantu. So I teach mathematics for the 11th and 12th standard aspirants. So if you are preparing for engineering entrance exam, like let's say KVPY, IIT JEE Mains, IIT JEE Advance, and then you have VIT, BITSAT, SRM. So if you are preparing for any of these entrance exam, we are going to help you with that. And you guys are in safe hands. You have chosen the right channel for it. This is JEE Enthuse and we teach in English. To talk about my background, people, my background, I did my BTech from IIT. Okay, so I studied in IIT Madras. I am basically from Chennai, from Tamil Nadu, and I have done my graduation from IIT Madras. Like you guys, I also wrote many exams. I wrote KVPY. I'm going to take a session on that tomorrow. So tomorrow at 6 o'clock, I'm going to teach you how to crack KVPY. So if you are 11th and 12th standard student, you can attend my class. So I cleared KVPY in 11th and 12th aptitude test. In 12th, I cleared completely and I got the scholarship. Okay. JEE Mains, I was one of the state toppers in Tamil Nadu. I got state rank 5 and a national rank of 464. Okay, so that is my background. So this is my Instagram ID. In case you want to talk to me, in case you want to ask me something, you can always reach out to me here. I post what I do apart from teaching over there. So if you want to know me better, you can follow me over here. Okay, so shall we get started? Very good. Abhijit, statistics is a 11th standard syllabus. But today's class is meant for 2021 batch, those who are writing this year. But statistics is taught in 11th standard CBSE. You can also try and follow this lecture, Abhijit, if you are interested, but it's up to you. It's your wish. Okay. Rank booster, matrices and determinants will be on Friday, 9 o'clock. Rank booster, matrices and determinants. Yes, I did not cover it yesterday, right? Some portion was left out. That will be on Friday. Got it? Like I promised, I am taking it this week itself. I will teach you completely whatever is left out. Are you all happy? Yes? Great. So with that, people, let's get started. Hello, Ankit. Welcome, Ankit. Very good, Kushi. I'm so glad you are liking the lectures. Yes, Lakshman, this is JEE Enthuse. It's an English channel, so I have to speak in English only. So try to adjust. But in the end, if we have some 2-3 minutes, I'll talk to you. Don't worry. Okay, so this is the main important slide. Make sure you subscribe to our channel because people, we still have some time left out. We will help you for the next 2 months. All that you can do for us in return is let your juniors know and you also subscribe to our channel. You guys are passing out, but you can do us a favor by letting your juniors, your friends, everybody know about this beautiful channel because we teach only in English and very rarely you find channels like that in YouTube. Okay, and make sure you share this video to your friends and give it a like as well. Okay, so shall we get started? Sanidhya, nothing is confirmed. You cannot tell it for sure. And Meenakshi Sundar, welcome. Thank you so much, man. Yes, we are going to hit 50K soon. With your help, we can. Great. Yes, Gokulnath. So people, this is our results in JEE Mains. Vedantu is not just a YouTube channel. We have our own coaching institute where we train students online. And by online education, we have produced 99.96, 99.97, 99.91. Some great results. You guys can also be here if you put the right effort and energy into it. I wish you guys will do that, work hard and achieve great heights with our expertise. Okay. Yes, Harsh, we will do that, Harsh. BitSat also we will help you. Like I said, already we are getting a lot of requests from students. So we are trying to manage it beautifully so that everybody is satisfied. Got it? But Harsh, your point is noted. Don't worry. So this is the crash course, my dear students. In case you are interested, you can join it. The batch started on 21st June. The crash course is very critical for those who want to do well in your JEE Mains. Last chance. Because now your CBSE and board exams are all cancelled. So this becomes very important. Because through JEE Mains, you will get entry into great colleges. Top colleges. So it becomes mandatory for you to do well in this. In case you are excited and you're serious about this preparation, YouTube is good, but this will be very organized. YouTube sometimes it makes it difficult for us to do it regularly. Sometimes teacher falls sick, some sessions are rescheduled. We do that, right? It is not that we don't want to take, but sometimes it happens. But these crash courses are fully organized. There will not be one cancellation. There will not be one change in the schedule. In case you are interested, in case you are serious about 95 or 97 percentile, you can check it out. Okay, so that is the price, 6,000 for the entire course, next 2 months, including test series for maths, physics, chemistry, everything put together. Got it? So I will leave it to you. In the end, I will discuss it. If you are interested, you can stay back. I will completely explain how to join the crash course. Okay, thank you, Ankit. I'm so glad you enjoyed it. Thank you, Kirti Yadav. Welcome. Andhra boards are not cancelled. Yes, I know. Andhra Pradesh, AP students were all saying, sir, in our state, they're not cancelling, sir. Kerala, the exams are over. Before lockdown came, the exams were over. So, but luckily, Tamil Nadu students, Gujarat students, Haryana, all these states cancelled the board exam. So you guys are lucky, but you have to take JEE Mains seriously. Okay, because JEE Mains will now become more important. That is why I kept telling the best course which is wholesome, which is complete, will be your crash course. You guys can check it out. And Kartika, I'm not very sure, Kartika. You have to check it. Jayavira Kumar, you have to check Shreyas sir's session. There he has explained clearly what rank, what you will get. I am not sure about it. You can probably Google it. Okay. Yes, Ashif. Welcome, Ashif. Nice to see you here. Great people. So shall we get started? Everybody, give me a thumbs up. Give me a yo. Give me a fire in the chat. All of you. Hello, Heyman. Thank you so much. Akarshan. Nice to see you from Nepal. Exactly, Siva. Same reaction from every AP student. Great. Yes, Ankit. We will get started. So people, let's boost your rank. Okay. Let's boost your rank. The very first thing. See, statistics is divided into 2 portions. The first portion is measures of central tendency. Measures of central tendency. So whenever you have a data, you want to understand what is the central value of that data. For example, in your class, as a teacher, I am interested in the average marks. Got it? So people are interested in the central value which defines the entire class, something like that. So that is why it is essential to study this topic first. And in JEE Mains also, majority of questions will come from here. So what are the three central tendencies? They are mean, median and mode. Laddu. We have been studying this right from 10th standard, isn't it? Thank you, Nani. That is so nice of you, man. Welcome. I'm so grateful for you guys. You are all from different parts of the country and we are working together as a team. Wonderful boys and girls. I love you all and let's conquer this topic together. So first one, I want to explain to you guys what is meant by mean. Mean is very easy, guys. Mean is nothing but the average of all the numbers. Everybody clear? Siva, this is for 2021 batch. Those who are writing the exam coming July or August. We don't know. The government will announce. This is for that batch. Okay. And Siva, this can be understood even by 11th standard students. So you can also watch. It's up to you. Got it? So what is mean? Mean is given by this symbol. Okay. So let us say you have numbers like this. You have x1, you have x2, you have x3, all the way up to xn. So you have n numbers. You have n numbers and you guys want to find out what is the mean of this data. What is the mean? Mean is nothing but the sum of all the observations, divided by total number of observations. Are you all clear? So this is nothing but average. This is nothing but average. Are you all clear? Everybody cool with it? So mean is nothing but the average of all the given data points. So you add all of them divided by number of terms. That's it. So now if you are given a frequency distribution, then mean is nothing but summation of fi xi divided by summation of fi. Are you all clear with that? So if you are given a frequency distribution, the mean is given as product of frequency into that data, sum it up for everything, divided by sum of all the frequency. Are you all clear? Hello Ramya, welcome Ramya. Very good Shravya, very good Siva, great. Fantastic, exactly Ankit. Summation means you have to add all of them. Nani, I'm so happy you are able to understand it. Clear guys, everybody? So this is the basics of mean which we will use now. I will show you the various methods or varieties of questions you can get. Okay, I'm going to show that to you. Very good. So sigma is nothing but summation. Summation means you have to add all of them, Arun Kumar. Okay, great. So now the next term which I want to teach you all is median and mode. What is median? Median is nothing but the middlemost quantity. Median is nothing but the middlemost quantity. Middlemost means what? For example, I am giving you 5, 3, 2, 7, 9. What is the middlemost quantity? What is the middlemost quantity? Can you guys tell me? What is the median? What is the median? Everybody please tell me. Kashtangal, I will take KVPY session tomorrow at 6 o'clock. Because I wanted to get the data, I got it only now, so I will do it tomorrow at 6 o'clock. Is 2 the middlemost quantity? You guys are all wrong. You guys are all wrong. Only Shiva is correct. HCP is correct. Nishant is correct. I knew this. That's why I gave you. I knew. Everybody, night 9 o'clock, had dinner. Brain is not working. Isn't it? Brain is not working. Brain is also sleeping. Wake up people, come on. Answer is 5 because you need to write it in either ascending order. You need to write it in either ascending order or descending order. It's up to you. Whenever you are finding out the median, my dear boys and girls, please, Sai, very good Sai, perfect. I just saw a few people's name. No problem Sai, you are right. Exactly. Whenever you want to find out the median, please arrange your data in either ascending order or descending order. After you do that, you figure out what is the middle term. So here middle term is very easy because there are odd number of terms. So if there are odd number of terms, the center term is the middle term. So the answer is 5. Are you all clear? Very good. Now let's move forward, people. Let's move forward. The last one is mode. What is mode? Mode is the most frequent data. Mode is the most frequent data. For example, if I give you 2, 3, 3, 5, 5, 5, and then let's say 7, 2, 8, 9, 2, 11, 2. What is the mode, everybody? What is the mode? Mode is nothing but the most frequent data. Mode is the most frequent data. Again, everybody is sleeping. Everybody is sleeping. Please wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Or wear a good glass. Wear a good glass. How many 2s are there? How many 2s are there? Come on, people. Laddu questions you are making mistake. Laddu questions you are making mistake. How many 5s are there? Just because the 3 5s are together, you all tend to think that 5 is more frequent. Small twist I'm giving you and you're all falling for it. Huh? Small twist I'm giving you and you guys are all falling for it. So be careful, okay? Very good. Bhumika, it is not 2 and 5. It is 2 only. Because 2 is 4 times Bhumika. Answer is 2. It is not 5. Answer is 2. It is not 5. Exactly. Very good, Ankit. Mode is the most frequent data which is occurring in your data set. Now, I have a question for all of you. Come on. JEE Mains pattern. JEE Mains pattern. I want all of you, my lovely students, everybody should try it out and preferably get it correct. Very simple but tricky. Very simple but tricky. Very good, Shravya. Fantastic. That's correct. Is this enough for JEE Mains? Siddhartha, yes. I will teach you the complete lecture. I will take till 10:30. So if you are listening to the entire lecture, Siddharth, you will be completely ready for JEE Mains. You can solve previous year's questions and try to hone your skills. Very good, Sai. Fantastic. Kaveri, welcome Kaveri. Nice to see you. Aditi, Anilin, Kushi, Shweta. Very good, Shweta. Logeshwari, Sonu Roy, Charisma. Very good, Nishant. Fantastic. Safwan, very good, Safwan. Heshwita, Sindhu, Nani. Very good. Shravya, Shreya Singh. Sarika, very good, Sarika. Bhumika is also right. Brilliant job. Okay. If this is done, can I solve JEE easily? Jashmi, the foundation will be very good if you listen to the entire lecture. But after that, Jashmi, you have to practice the previous year's questions. Okay. And Ashif, what is the doubt, Ashif? Please tell me what is your doubt. I will help you. Please do not spam the chat. Okay. Abhinay, very good, Abhinay, you are right. So people, the answer is option C. So how do we do it? First of all, the mean of n terms. So let's take the n terms as x1, x2, x3 and so on till xn. So this mean, the mean of all of them is equal to x bar. So the mean of all of them means what? The mean of all of them means adding all of them and dividing by n. Are you all clear? So the mean of n terms is x bar. This is the first line. So the first line meaning is over here. Are you all clear? This is the meaning of the first line. Very good, Siva. Very good, Amrita. Fantastic. Welcome, Amrita. Nice to see you here. So now, what are they telling? The first term is increased by 1. The first term is increased by 1. So x1 plus 1. Second term is increased by 2. Third term is increased by 3 and so on. So the nth term will be increased by n. Now we have to find the mean of this. So how do I find it up? Let's add all of them. So if I add all of them, I'll get x1 plus x2 plus x3 all the way up to xn. Then addition of 1 plus 2 plus 3 till n. What is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 till n? The addition of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 till n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This we have studied in sequence and series. Are you all aware of that? Very good, Anilin. Hello, Hari Krishnan. Bodhraj, Gagan. Gagan, welcome, man. Very good, very good. You guys are awesome. So it will be n into n plus 1 by 2 divided by total number of terms. So if I divide it by n, I will get what? This value is nothing but x bar plus Here, n and n I can cancel. So n and n if I cancel, I will be left out with n plus 1 by 2. That is nothing but my option C. Beautiful. Did you guys like it? Very good. Very good. Very good. You guys are awesome. Okay. So Rajashekar, please try to solve previous year's questions. That is the best way to revise. Previous year's questions, try to revise. Sarika, yes Sarika, why not? Maharashtra board is also equally good. You guys can also crack it, but please work hard. Hard work, there is no substitute. Hello Saujanya, nice to see you Saujanya. Welcome, great to have you. Let's continue, boys and girls. So the solutions are always attached in the PDF. You guys can refer to it after the class. Utkarsh, I just used the formula for mean. Mean, Utkarsh, is nothing but the addition of all the terms divided by number of terms, Utkarsh. Got it? So that is exactly what I did. I added up all the terms divided by n and I simplified it. So when I simplified, Utkarsh, I will get the answer as option C. That is what I have done so far. Are you all clear? Hello Manan, welcome man, nice to see you. Very good. Yagnesh, welcome. Amir, welcome Amir. Great. Fantastic. So Andromeda, I have no idea man. We'll have to wait for the announcement. Okay. Manan, yes Manan. Subit Pal, welcome. Surbit, welcome man. Nice to see you here. Fantastic. Binomial theorem. If it is difficult, Rajashekar, for now, try to avoid it. Study the other chapters. Okay. Yes, Kushi. If you take in 2023, I will teach for you. Don't worry. Pakka. Got it? Ankit says B. Are you sure, Ankit? Let's check who is right. Hello, Talapati Giri. Welcome. Very good, very good. Nishant, if there are too many questions, solve one after the other. For example, skip alternative questions. So you do first question, skip the second question, then do the third question, then skip the fourth question. That can be a better way of solving, Nishant. Very good. Sanjeevani, welcome Sanjeevani. I am seeing you after a long time. Okay. Hello Shri, welcome. Yes. Kerala, is it? For sure. Great. So people, let's try to solve it. Come on people. Everybody, listen carefully. See, these are the passing marks. Correct, na? Everybody, these are the passing marks. Did everybody understand that? So these are the 12 people who have passed. So I got 12, 15 in ascending order. 15, 1, 2, 3. Then I have 16. Then I have 17. Then I have 18, 18. Then I have 19, 19, 19. 17, I have one more, right? One more 17 is there. Is that all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. Now, if the 7 boys failed, do you all realize the 7 boys' marks will be less than 12? Very good, Shravya. Shravya, fantastic. The 7 boys who failed, their marks will be less than 12. Do you all understand that? How many of you understand that? Give me a yo. Give me a thumbs up. Everybody quickly guys, come on. Manoj Krishna, fantastic. Very good Kushi. Very good Utkarsh. Sindhu, perfect. So the boy 1, boy 2, boy 3 till boy 7, all of their marks will be less than 12 because these boys failed. If they failed, they will be lesser than the guy who passed. So now it is anyway lesser. So the middlemost quantity will be what? 19 people are there. So the middlemost number will be the 10th number. So middle term is equal to n plus 1 by 2th term. So that will be 19 plus 1 by 2, which will be the 10th term. So 10th term is the middle term. So what is the 10th term? This is the 10th term. So the answer is option A. Did you all like it? Everybody? Very good. Very good. Shri, I can understand it to a certain extent, but I cannot speak. Very good, J Star. No problem, man. Welcome. I am glad you could come to my class. Lahari. Very good, Lahari. Brilliant. Fantastic. Nishant. Welcome, Nishant. So with that, people, let's move forward to the next question. Are you all ready? Yes? one more easy laddu question from the basics. Okay, one more easy laddu question from the basics. So here we go, boys and girls. The question for you is right after this slide. Okay, Rajashekar, 100 percentile is 290. You have to get 290 marks. Okay, very good. Zara, welcome. Lakshita, Meenia, welcome Lakshita. Fantastic. So people, let's try to solve it. Let's try to understand it. Everybody realized that. I was thinking there is a question here, but I saved myself. Okay, so people, let's look at the properties of mean. Let's look at it in a very, very simplistic way. Please listen carefully. All boys and girls, please pay attention. Very important. Got it? And welcome Jaguar Virupakshi, welcome. Subhajit, welcome man. Yes, yes, yes. Maths alone, 100 percentile will be 100 marks. Maths, 100 percentile will be 100 marks. Okay, fantastic. So people, let's try to understand it. Whenever you are calculating mean, listen carefully. Okay, whenever you are calculating mean, whether you add all the terms, let me show you. So let's take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So what is the mean of this? The mean of this is 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. So mean is nothing but 3. Everybody cool with that? Everybody, come on guys. Let's understand the property with an example so that you won't remember. Okay, so that you won't forget it. I don't know, again I slipped. My English is going from good to bad. So guys, so that you don't forget it, okay? You don't forget it, I'm going to give you an example with this particular property. Everybody, please listen carefully. Now, I'm going to add a number. So let's add 1 to everything. If I add 1 to everything, it will become 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I add 1 to everything, the new mean will be 4. Did you get that? So if I add a constant to all the terms, then the mean will also increase by that constant. Very important. Okay. If I add 1 to all the terms, then my mean will also increase by 1. Are you all clear? Did you all like it? Fantastic. If I subtract 1, let's subtract 1. Here I added 1. Here I am subtracting 1. Okay. So if I subtract 1, I'll get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then my mean will become 2. So that means the original mean gets reduced by 1. Are you all clear? So if I add a constant, then the resultant mean will also be added by the same constant. If I subtract, then the resultant mean will also be subtracted. If I multiply, let's multiply by 3. If I multiply by 3, I'll get what? If I multiply by 3, I'll get 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. The mean will also be multiplied by 3. You can check it. The mean will also be multiplied by 3. Are you all clear? Very good, very good. Absolutely right. Shrikant, yes Shrikant. Very good. Lahari, you are right. Very good Subhajit. Fantastic. Sachin, welcome Sachin. Brilliant. So these are all good properties. If I divide by a constant, then the mean will also be divided by the same constant. Are you all clear? So I hope you like this property. Make sure you are all writing it down. Take a screenshot of this particular slide. Okay. Now the next one is sum of deviation. The sum of deviation means what? Sigma xi minus x bar is always 0. Such a beautiful property. What is that? Let me teach you. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now. And the mean was 3. Now, if I subtract every value from the mean, the mean, I will get the answer to be 0. Don't you guys agree? How many of you can see that it is equal to 0? Can you see that the addition of all of them is under? It is all clear? That is the property which I am telling you. The sum of deviation. Deviation means what? How this value is. You have to check that. you have to check how this value is. That means you have to subtract xi minus x bar. So whenever you take a data point and if you subtract mean, that is nothing but your deviation. The sum of all the deviation will be 0. That is the property. I hope you guys liked it. Are you all clear? Fantastic. The last one is a very nice formula. So if you have two groups, so let's say you have one group A1, A2 all the way up to AN1. Got it? And you have, let's say, B1, B2 and all the way up to BN2. So the mean of this is x2 bar and the mean of this is x1 bar. Then the overall mean, if I combine these two groups, the overall mean, total mean is equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2. Such a good formula for combined mean. Yes, yes, yes. We will go to questions. Please listen carefully, guys. Do not spam the chat. Everybody, please listen carefully. First, we will cover the concept, then we will go forward. Okay? Very good. Yes, Rajashekhar, we will do it. We will cover most of the important topics. I cannot promise that I will do everything, but I will try to cover most of the topics. Shall we go forward, guys? Everybody? Yes? Fantastic. So people, with that, we will go forward. In case you have any doubts here, we will help you. So J star is asking, n is the number of terms? Yes, n1 is the number of terms J star in the first group. n2 is the number of terms in the second group. Got it? I hope I answered your question. Very good, Lahari. Very good, Raju. Very good, Anileen. Anileen, that will be given in the question. N1 and N2 will be given in the question, and from that you guys can absolutely find out the values. Simple. Are you all ready? Sri Lakshmi, great. Vignesh, brilliant man. I am happy you guys have followed it. Please make a note of this particular slide. Everybody, make a note of this, take a photo, and then we will move forward. Great. Pradeep, yes Pradeep, I have planned many sessions. Like I told you, I cannot promise everything, but I will try to do all the important topics pakka. Got it? Yes, Talapati Giri, I don't know whether they'll allow you right now, but of course you can. You can go inside. Now because of coronavirus, I am not sure. Okay? Yes, Akanksha, this is my Instagram ID. You can message me. I will get back to you by 1 or 2 days time. Pakka. Very good, Kashtangal. I am so happy you saw that. Okay. So people, we will move forward. Nihir Devatraj. Please tell me, Nihir, what is your doubt? Absolutely, Shravya. We will conduct Menti quiz, especially for the 11th standard. I completed a chapter. I will be completing soon, so I will conduct a Menti quiz. Pakka. Yes, Nihir, what is your doubt? Is it an easy chapter? Shubha, this is a very easy chapter. Yes, statistics is very simple. Okay, you need not fear it. You need not worry about it. Okay. Pawan, I will not solve 42 years papers, Pawan, but last 10 years papers, pakka you should solve. Last 10 years papers, pakka you should solve. Okay, so people, come on guys, let's solve it. The combined group of men and women has a median or mean, right? Has a mean age of 25. So that means the total mean for man and woman is 25. Are you all clear? This is the total mean. Now, we don't know the number of men. The number of men, I will take it as X. The number of women, I will take it as Y. Are you all clear? So this is men and this is women. Are you all clear with this, everybody? So the number of men and women, I don't know. Now, what is X total? Number of men into mean of man. Mean of man is 26. Just now I gave the formula. Plus Y into the mean of women. 21 divided by X plus Y is equal to 25. Are you all clear with this, everybody? Did you all like it? Wonderful. Very good, very good. So guys, the answer is option B, 80-20. 80% men and 20% women. You guys are all absolutely correct. Very good. Okay. Fantastic. Yes, Rajashekar, we will do, man. One by one we will do. Okay. Pawan, yes, Pawan, you can do it. Yes, yes. DPP you can do. Brilliant idea. Okay. So now we will move forward and we will try to solve it. So 26x plus 21y is equal to 25x plus 25y. Got it? So if I bring it to the other side, I'll get x is equal to 4y. Is that clear? Did you all get this relation? Fantastic relation, isn't it? Varun, the crash course is in English only. The crash course is absolutely in English. You guys can avail it. It will be a very useful crash course for all the students who are serious about JEE Mains. Okay? Fantastic. Shravya, you are absolutely correct. So people, now how do I complete it? Hello Balaji, welcome. Nice to see you here. So people, how do I complete it? We want percentage of men. We just know that number of men is 4 times the number of women. So percentage men is equal to x divided by x plus y into 100. That is the percentage of men. So x is what? X is 4y. So 4y plus y will be 5y into 100. So that will be equal to 80%. So the number of men is 80%. Women will be 20%, of course. So that is the answer for it. Are you all clear? Everybody? Did you all like it? Okay. Everybody, shall we move forward? You guys are awesome. So people, with that, we shall move to the next question if you're all clear with it. In case you have a doubt, please let me know. I will try to clarify it and maybe I can help you guys understand the concept. Okay? Otherwise, I will keep moving forward. We can go forward and try to solve some brilliant questions. Okay? Exactly, Akanksha, it was a Laddu question. We have plenty more such questions. I want you to become an expert in this because these are all the foundation, the basics of statistics. Hello, Elks Gallery, welcome. Raju, I'm glad you're following it. Satish, Lalisa, Manoban, welcome Lalisa, nice to see you here. So this is the next question. Come on people, everybody. Now we have 3 groups. Now we have 3 groups. Aniline, they asked men and women. Men is 80, women is 20. You cannot put reverse. You have to write it respectively. They asked first men, na? So men is 80, Aniline. So that is why 80-20 is the answer. Understood? So you have to read the question carefully. This is all mistake because you're not reading it properly. Got it? Don't make that mistake. In exam, it will be very hurtful. Great. Shravya, yes, you can get a question like this in JEE Mains also. Yes, yes, yes. At times you get. I showed you proof, na? In JEE Mains 2021, you got a question from finding mean. Okay. So you can get very laddu questions, Shravya. That's why I'm doing this. Hello, Clay Tsunami. Welcome. 3D geometry. I've already done. Guys, permutation, combination, 3D geometry, all that I have done in this channel. So check it out. Then I will again do it. Okay. First, check out the videos what are here in this channel. Go back, watch the playlist or just type Shimon sir, vectors and 3D. You will get it. Okay. Gaurav, welcome Gaurav. Nishant, happy birthday man. Very good. I hope you have a great year ahead. Rakesh, welcome Rakesh. So people, shall we solve this? Can we get this in JEE Advanced? Of course not. JEE Advanced statistics never comes. Okay. So let's try to solve it, boys and girls. What is the mean of the combined data? The total mean is equal to, I'll give you the formula first. N1 x1 cap plus N2 x2 mean plus N3 x3 mean divided by N1 plus N2 plus N3. Did you all get that? Are you all happy with it, my dear boys and girls? Did you all solve this? Please use this formula. This is for 3 groups. So what is N1? N1 is 20. What is X1? 20. Then N2 25. X2 10. Then N3 30. X3 15. So can't you guys multiply and get the answer? Come on boys and girls, please finish it off. Hello Swaroop, welcome. Nirob Mondal, welcome Nirob. Very nice to see you here. Happy to have you guys. Great, great. Very good, Rakesh. Damanpreet Kaur. Welcome, Damanpreet. Nice to have you here. Very good. New students I'm meeting. Thank you guys for taking your time out and being here. Let's have a fabulous session. Okay. Everybody, please solve it. Gagan. Yes, Gagan. I will check it out. I will definitely help you out. Okay. Fantastic. Varun Kumar. That is so kind of you, man. Brilliant. So with that, people, let's keep moving forward. Vishnu, did you get the answer? Mohammed, welcome Mohammed. So 1,100 by 75, is it? Can you simplify it, Shweta? Very good, Elks Gallery. That is so kind of you. Brilliant. So let's solve it. 20 into 20 is 400. Plus 25 into 10 is 250. And then 30 into 15 is 450. Okay. Divided by, what will I have? 20 plus 30 plus 25. That is nothing but 75. So what is the answer? Come on, people. So none of the options are matching, is it? Oh, that is surprising. 850, 900. Yes, 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 guys. So the answer is 1100 by 75. The answer is 1100 by 75, 14.66. Okay. So yeah, the answers are not matching. There should be some mistake with it. No problem, guys. I hope you're all clear. Everybody cool with it? Okay. Let's see where is the mistake. Okay. So this should have been 25. Yeah. This should have been 25, guys. Okay. Or this should have been 25. Got it? So this value should have been 25. Now you'll get the right answer. You can verify it. Okay. So there's a small typing error. Don't worry about it. So this first mean, the first mean should be 25. But they have typed it as 20. That's why we got it wrong. So don't worry about it. It's cool. Got it? So shall we move forward? Shuhaib Khan is saying just add 100, sir. Yes, yes, Shuhaib, you can do that. Very good. So people, let's try to solve it. Are you all ready, my dear boys and girls? Yes, are you all ready? So let's look at how to calculate the mean deviation. Everybody, please listen carefully. This is a very important concept. I don't want anybody missing it out. Got it? This is very, very important. So please don't miss it. Listen carefully. Mean deviation, my dear boys and girls, is nothing but how spread out your data is. Got it? How spread out your data is. That is what is given to you by mean deviation. See, previously we found out what is central tendency. What is central tendency? Mean, median and mode. Mean, median and mode will tell you what are the central parameters. Now I am teaching you mean deviation, which is a measure of how spread out your data is. Got it? So please listen carefully. The mean deviation is nothing but, listen very carefully, it is nothing but the modulus of every data minus a value A. You can find out about anything. You can find out about anything. A can be anything. A can be mean, it can be median, it can be whatever you want. Are you all clear? So A can be anything. So if I find this deviation, take the modulus of it and sum it up for all the value divided by n, that value is called as mean deviation. Are you all clear? Did you all like it? Everybody cool with it? Fantastic. So shall we all move forward? Brilliant, guys. Very good. Yes, Hari, I am from Chennai, man, of course. Jaideep, yes, Jaideep, I will plan it out. Very good. Karishma, fantastic. Lalisa, yes, Lalisa. So I will repeat it one last time. Please listen carefully, guys. Everybody. So I'll give you an example. So let's say you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now the mean of this data is nothing but 3. Are you all clear? The mean of this data is nothing but 3. Now I want to find the mean deviation. Everybody please listen, guys. Do not get distracted. This is a very important topic. I want to find mean deviation about the mean. That means I will find out modulus of first term minus mean plus modulus of second term minus mean plus modulus of third term minus mean plus modulus of fourth term minus mean plus modulus of fifth term minus mean whole divided by number of terms. So what will I get? I will get 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 divided by 5. Are you all clear? So what is the mean deviation? It is 6 by 5. So the mean deviation is 1.2 for this data set about the mean. Did you all like it? Did you all like it? Everybody, please give me a thumbs up or a yo if you understood it. Very good, Pramesh. Very good, Priyadarshini. Trikant, very good, Trikant. Sindhu, fantastic. Kushi, Aditi, Daibojit, Das, very good. Ajul, Gio, very good, Ajul. Fantastic. Gagan, what is your doubt, Gagan? I will try to help you out. Very good, Sri Lakshmi, fantastic. So with that, people, let us move forward and try to solve some question. This is a brilliant question, slightly difficult. It was the JEE Main question. Okay, so from mean deviation also they can ask you questions. I am teaching you all the important topics which can maybe come in your exam on July or August, whenever that is. Okay, so please pay attention. It is a very short session, but in this short session you can capitalize your marks. Okay, so please give me your full attention, guys. We will wrap it up in half an hour. Okay, so come on, people, everybody try to solve it. I want maximum number of people to get it correct. All of you are capable of getting it right, and in case you are all interested, you can even check out the crash course. At the end of the class, I will discuss in detail about it. Okay, I will discuss in detail about it for those who are interested. Hello, honey, welcome. Kanali, fantastic. So people, I will help you, don't worry. See, we have to calculate mean deviation from mean. So first you need to find out mean. What is mean? Mean is nothing but the sum of all of them. The sum of all of them divided by total number of terms. So how many terms are there? Can anybody tell me? From 1 to 1 plus 100d, how many terms are there? I am sure some of you will go wrong. I am sure some of you will go wrong. So tell me after thinking. After thinking, you tell. Okay, very good. Thank you, Selvi. I am so happy you are liking it. Clay Tsunami. Yes, my throat is better now. Yes. It is much better now. Thank you for asking. I hope it gets much better, even more. But today I'm all right. I'm happy. It is not paining. Very good, very good. Jugesh Kumar, it is not 100 Jugesh, it is 101. Okay, it is 101. Why is it 101? Because Jugesh, first term it is 1 plus 0d, but last term is 1 plus 100d. So from 0d I am going to 100d. So 0 to 100 is 101 terms. Got it? 0 to 100 is 101 terms. Are you all clear? Very good. Nidhi, it is 101. Nidhi, please check it. Okay, so that is how you solve it. Now, boys and girls, this is an arithmetic progression. Don't you all agree? This is an arithmetic progression. Welcome, Jay Aditya. Nice to have you here, Jay. So how do you sum up an arithmetic progression? The sum of an AP is nothing but n by 2. N by 2 into first term plus last term. First term plus last term. So that is the mean. That is the mean of this data set. So what is the mean? The mean is nothing but 1 plus 50d. Did you all like it? This is just half of the question. Okay. Nidhi, today I am teaching you statistics. Okay. So we are covering statistics for JEE Mains. It will be very useful because it is a very easy chapter, guys. 4 marks you get for free. Laddu question. Okay. Yes, Jay Aditya, the crash course at Vedantu is very useful for 2021 aspirants. I will talk about it at the end. Right now we are learning. Let's go with the flow. Okay. In the flow itself, we will cover it. Everybody. Fantastic. So people, I hope you are all clear. Guys, this is just one half of the question. Because I told you, this is a JEE Mains level question. So only half of it is done. So what did I get right now? Very good. Perfect. Varun, I'm so happy you are able to follow. Great. So one half of the question is done. What is that? I have found out the mean. Now here comes the question. What is the question? Mean deviation. So mean deviation will be what? I should subtract every term from the mean. So if I subtract the first term, I will get 50D. If I subtract the second term, I'll get 49D. If I subtract the third term, I'll get 48D, and so on. Are you all clear? Are you all clear, everybody? Very good. Yes, Santosh, Vinod, welcome man. Pawan, I'm so glad you are able to understand. Okay. So Nidhi, for 9th standard, it might be too difficult, Nidhi. You have to study only in 11th and 12th, only then you will be able to follow. Guys, from here it is very difficult. Listen carefully. So what will happen in between it will become 0, and then again it will become D, 2D, all the way up to 50, 50D. Did you all get this? How many of you understood this? If you understood, you got the answer. So this is the modulus of all the deviation. So what I wrote here is sigma, all the numbers modulus of the deviation. That is what I wrote. Divided by total number of terms. That will give you the answer. Are you all happy with it? So that is equal to mean deviation, which is 225. Mean deviation is 225. So now you can get the value of D very easily. Are you all clear with it? Everybody? So this portion is the most important part. Because guys, if you keep subtracting every term, in between somewhere it will become 0, and then again it will increase because you have modulus. You have modulus. So now you can add it and you can get the answer very, very simple. Okay, Nidhi, for 9th standard, we have Vedantu 9th and 10th. We have wonderful teachers there. Harsh Priyam sir, Abhishek sir. You will enjoy it, Nidhi. We have 9th and 10th channel, Vedantu. Go check it out. You will enjoy it. Okay. Now, how do you add this? So, you see that 50D till D, I have one series. And again D to 50, I have one more series. So, can I say the overall summation is just this into 2? I can say that, and we have divided by 101. Got it? So the answer is 225 into 101 divided by 2 is equal to sum of all of this. Sum of all of this will be what? 1 till 50 summation. 1 till 50 summation is 50 into 51 by 2. Are you all clear with it? That's it. That's the answer. Are you all clear with it? So that is the answer. You guys can solve it, finish it off, and that's about it. Everybody got it, guys? So that is how you solve it. I hope you're all clear. Got it? Yes, 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 yes. So guys, I am live, absolutely live. Yes, yes, it is a live session. Okay. So people, again, that's the typing error. It should be 255. It should be 255. So in the final answer, you will get 5 times, it will get cancelled, and 50 and 5 will be 10 times. You will get the answer to be 10.1. Got it? But I'm sure the concept, you guys have learnt it. Are you all cool with the concept? Did you all like it? Are you all aware of mean deviation now? So mean deviation, you guys can check it out with any number. Usually we find out, okay, usually we find out with respect to the mean or median. Got it? So now let's go and check out the last topic for today, which is variance. So this is the most hot topic. Okay, this is the hot topic of your JEE Mains. They keep asking you questions from this portion only. They keep asking you questions from this portion only. So let's try to solve it. Are you all ready? Exactly, Hashwita. Vaibhav, very nice to see you, Vaibhav. Are you guys ready? So this is a very, very interesting topic, and it comes under measure of dispersion. So it comes under measures of dispersion. Very interesting, guys. Many people think statistics is boring, but guys, statistics is one of the most important areas and what is important for your future as well. So do you all know about data science, big data, machine learning? I'm sure you guys have heard of it, right? Google, Microsoft, IBM, all the top companies are getting into this field. And what do you think this field is all about? This field is all about statistics. So statistics is the future. So whenever you do a Google search, The Google search will give you recommendation, right? How do you think that recommendation comes? Statistics, my dear. So statistics is a very powerful subject, a very powerful field of mathematics. Some of you, if you're interested, you can take it up. Okay. So with that, let's get started. Everybody. Now, what is variance? Variance tells you how spread out your data is, just like your mean deviation. So all these mean deviation and then your variance, what do they tell you? They tell you how spread out your data is. If the mean deviation is small, I can say that the data is close by. For example, I will tell you this: 2.1, 2.2, 2, 2.3, 1.9, 1.8. And let's say something like this. For example, I'll have 5, 2, minus 0 or minus 3 or 0, 10. Now, which will have more variation? Which will have a more variance? Can you guys tell me? Which will have more mean deviation? Which will have more variance? So that you guys understand and visualize what I mean by spread out of data. Obviously, second one, right? Second one will have a higher variation. Second one will have a higher variation. First one is very closely packed. So first one will have a smaller variance. It will have small mean deviation. It will have small variance. So now you understand what is meant by mean deviation and variance. Mean deviation and variance will tell you how spread out your data is. Okay, and I'll give you one more example, because today what is going on? World Test Championship is going on. India and New Zealand are playing. So let me give you an example. Let's take Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli, let's say he scores 50, 50 in 50 in 3 matches. So there are 3 ODI matches, and in 3 ODI match, Virat Kohli scored 50, 50, 50. Now our legendary Rishabh Pant. Now Rishabh Pant got duck out in the first one. Second match he scored 150, legend, next level. And third match again he got duck out. Now both the means are equal. The mean of Virat Kohli is 50. The mean of Rishabh Pant is 50. So when an outsider is hearing the name, when the outsider is hearing the name and hearing the mean, he'll think both of them are good players. Both of them are equally good because both of them average is the same. But only we know after seeing the scores that Virat Kohli is more consistent. Virat Kohli is more consistent than Rishabh Pant. Why? Because his scores are less spread out. So the variance in Virat Kohli is very, very less. But variance in Rishabh Pant is very high. Did you like it now? Are you all clear? Did you all enjoy it? Exactly. Are you all clear with it? Fantastic. Brilliant. So that is all about variance. Now you guys have understood it. Perfect. So now let's come back to formula. See, understanding is one thing, but solving is another thing. So solving is very important. Okay. So everybody, please listen carefully. We will try to understand it and we will try to apply it in question. So first of all, variance, there are 2 formulas. Listen carefully. There are 2 formulas for variance. What are those 2 formulas? The first formula for variance is sigma every data minus mean whole square divided by total number of terms. That's it. Are you all clear with it? Everybody? Fantastic, guys. So variance is nothing but sigma xi minus x bar the whole square divided by n. Are you all clear with it? Everybody? Fantastic. Now the other formula is, which is more frequently used. The other formula is more frequently used. Everybody listen carefully. Which is nothing but xi square summation divided by n minus mean whole square. Guys, these 2 formulas you have to memorize. You have to memorize. You have to keep it in mind. This is more frequently used. This is more frequently used. Okay, this is more frequently used. Make sure you guys remember it, memorize it, write it down. Are you all clear with it? Everybody, please make sure you guys are all noting it down and revise it whenever you get time. Okay, So with that, I will move forward. Are you guys happy with it? Fantastic. So this is how you find variance. What is xi? Xi is all the data point. What is n? N is the number of observations. What is x bar? X bar is the mean. Everybody clear? So now you know how to apply it. I've explained it. Xi is every data point. N is the number of terms and x bar is the mean. So you square all the terms, divide by n, subtract mean square. That's it. That is the formula. So Jugesh, just now I explained, xi is the data point, every number which is given to you. So you square all the numbers given to you, add them up, divide by n, subtract the mean square. Got it, Jugesh? Enjoyed it? Fantastic. So this is a more frequent formula. Last but not the least, standard deviation. Standard deviation is a laddu concept. It is given by the symbol sigma. Sigma is standard deviation. It is nothing but square root of variance. It is nothing but square root of variance. Are you all clear? Guys, I'm going to use this formula now in a very simple question. Okay? In a very simple question, I'm going to use it. Please try it out. We will all solve it together. Okay? Come on, people. Let's go. Let's try to solve it together. Here we go. Please solve it. Very simple. This is not JEE Mains level, but I want you to understand it. That is why I gave you this question. Okay? Try it, boys and girls. Everybody. Fantastic. So guys, everybody solve it and we will all learn how to crack it together. Okay? Fantastic. Very good, Uday, Pranavi. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Shiva, yes Shiva, we will complete it. Then I'll have my dinner. I'll have good water also. Thank you. Fantastic. So what is the formula? Variance, my dear boys and girls, is nothing but sigma xi square divided by n minus it is x bar whole square. So what is the mean of all of them? The mean of all of them is addition of all of them. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 divided by, I have 5 terms. Na? So divided by 5. That will be equal to what? Any idea? That is equal to 6. Na? I have 8 plus 8, 16, 20, 30. 30 by 5 is 6. So the mean is 6. So I'll have minus 6 square. Now, what is summation of xi square? Jugesh, summation of xi square means every term I have to square it. So 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square plus 8 square plus 10 square divided by number of terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 terms. That is my answer. Can you find it out now? Can you guys find it out now? Please do it, guys. Yes, Akanksha, for sure, Akanksha. You can message me on Telegram or Instagram. I will help you out. Very good, Shravya. Fantastic. You guys are awesome. Very good, Clay Tsunami. Fantastic. Karishma, what is the answer? Very good. Sid, I'm glad you enjoyed the lecture, Sid. HCP, you are right, HCP. Correct. Heshwita is correct. Crack with Gokulnath is right. Charisma is right. Fantastic. No problem, Shweta. Welcome back. So guys, what is this value? 2 square is 4. 4 plus 16, 20. 56. 56 plus 64, 120. 220, right? So 220 by 5 is what? 220 by 5. 220 by 5 is 44. So 44 minus 6 square is 36. So the answer is 8. So 8 is the correct answer. This is a very simple question to make sure you guys understand what is variance. So that fear of variance should go away. Variance is not a very tough topic. It is actually easy. Got it? Is that clear now? Everybody happy with it? All of you cool with it, guys? Shall we proceed now? Fantastic. Fantastic. So let us proceed and go to the next part. I hope you guys are all ready. Okay. So I've attached the solutions. I will share the PDF in the Telegram group after today's class. Now this is a very important property. Of late, they're asking too many questions from here. Of late, they're asking too many questions from here. Okay, so let me repeat it. Listen carefully. Very good concept. Now, let us say I'll take one boy from here. Let's say we have Abdul Wahid. Okay, Abdul Wahid is scoring. Abdul is scoring, let's say, physics, chemistry, maths. So Abdul scored in JEE Mains, let's say 80 in physics and 70 in chemistry, and my student in maths, so he got 95. Okay, obviously. Being a student of JEE Enthuse, he has to get 95. Got it? So now, let's say this is in February attempt. Okay, in March attempt, he got 5 marks more in all the subjects. He got 5 marks more in all the subjects. So what happened? Do you think his variance will change? Do you guys think the variance will change? Yes or no? All 3 subjects are equally increasing by 5. He is equally increasing by 5 marks. Okay. Will the variance change? Everybody, please let me know. Okay. Everybody, please let me know. Very good, my dear students. Absolutely correct. There will be no change in variance. There will be no change in variance. Absolutely right. You guys are awesome. So, whenever you have a data set, okay, whenever you have a data set, if you add a constant to all the data set points, if you add a constant to all the data set points, then the variance will not change. Are you all clear? Did you like it? If you add a constant to all the data set points, then there will be no change in the variance. Everybody cool with it? Fantastic, guys. You're all awesome. Now, what if I multiply every data set by a constant c? Then the original variance will be multiplied by c square. Are you all clear? Are you all absolutely clear with it? Absolutely. Yes, yes, yes. So this is xi. Absolutely. It is understood, Gokulnath. X means xi. X means xi. Okay. Are you all clear with it? So if you multiply with a constant, then the variance becomes c square. For example, if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if the variance is v, then if I multiply by 2, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, what will be the variance? The variance will become 4v. Understood? The variance will become 4v. How 4v? So what I multiplied? I multiplied by 2, na? The constant by which every term is multiplied is 2. So the variance will also be multiplied by 2 square. It will be multiplied by 2 square. Now did you all understand what I meant by property 2? What I meant by property 2? Are you all happy with it? Yes? Very good. I am so glad you guys are following it. Brilliant job. Pratibha, you have to make time and study it and cover it. Maybe in the weekends or at night, you have to make some extra time and study it, Pratibha. Okay, only then you can cover it. Guys, I hope all of you are clear with it. Fantastic. Now, this last one is a combination of these two. It is a combination of this and this. I multiplied by A and I added B. See, adding B has no effect. Adding B has no effect, no use. Why? Because whenever you add a constant to all the terms, the variance will never change. The variance will never change. Guys, Supritam, it is very easy to prove it. You can try it out. You take observation, n terms, and you add a constant and you try to use the formula which I gave you. The effect of that constant will get cancelled. Very easy to prove it. It is not difficult, guys. Okay. So are you all clear? So these two combined together is this result. I hope that is also clear to you. Now let's use it in a question. Let's see if you guys can apply it. I always tell, right, it is one thing to know the theory, another thing is to apply it. Yes, Supritam, same method. You just take n terms, man. A1, A2, A3, A4 till AN. Multiply all of them with a constant C. Got it? And try to find out the variance by the formula which I gave you. You will understand it. Okay, just try to find out using the formula which I gave you. You will understand it. It is very straightforward. Very straightforward, although it is not necessary. You don't have to go and prepare. Shiva, that is not correct, Shiva. Of course, look at the question. You are not reading it carefully. you're not reading it carefully. If I divide it by some number, 1 by c square, Padi Shrikant, it is going to be 1 by c square. Multiplication is similar to division, right? So same thing like multiplication you have to do. Okay, so it will become 1 by c square. Got it? Dushyant, welcome Dushyant Sharma, welcome, nice to see you here. Heshwita, guys, only Heshwita is correct. PSK Sendil, very good PSK Sendil, you are also correct, good job. All the others, you have to check it. It is not C, it is not D, it is B. HCP, very good HCP. Aditi, very good Aditi, fantastic. Dushyant, Gokulnath, Javane Gowda, Sid is also right. Clay Tsunami, perfect. Perfect. So guys, first of all, 99 by 12 can be simplified. I just gave it to you so that you will be confused. So it is actually 33 by 4. Is that correct? So now, my dear boys and girls, look at how beautifully I apply the properties. That is the best part about today's class. Look at how easily and beautifully I apply the properties. Yes, Sindhu, I will completely explain it. Listen carefully. So Sindhu, 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 10 has variance of how much? 33 by 4, correct, na? Has variance 33 by 4. Now, what I am doing, Sindhu, from here to here, I am multiplying by 3, na? I am multiplying everything by 3. Did you observe that? Did you guys observe that? So if I multiply by 3, how will the variance change? The variance will become 3 square times the old variance. Correct, na? The variance will become 3 square times the old variance. Are you all clear with it? Everybody is happy with that? So now, what will be the standard deviation? Standard deviation, my dear students, is nothing but square root of variance. Square root of variance. So what is the new variance? The new variance is 3 square into 33 by 4. So that, when simplified, will become option B. Such an easy question. Did you like it? Vedavati, very good. Sindhu, Karishma, Sri Lakshmi, Daibojit, Aditi, Gokulnath, I'm so glad you guys have understood it completely. That is such a great feeling, guys. Brilliant. I'm happy you all have understood it. In case you have any doubt, you can always feel free to ask me. Aditya, I teach English only, man. I am from South India, so I don't speak good Hindi. Okay, but I'm trying to learn. Maybe next year I will speak Hindi. But as of now, I can speak only English and Tamil. Okay. Very good, Bhavya. Fantastic, guys. So with that, people, one small topic, okay? Wasim sir is getting ready for his class. So I will complete one very important topic before I conclude my session. Okay? Great. So here we go. The last but not the least, coefficient of variance. Coefficient of variation. That is also an important topic, okay? Many people usually neglect it, but you guys don't do that. Okay, last topic, very, very important. Listen carefully. Harish, Telugu, I know a little bit because I studied from IIT Madras. So in IIT, maximum population is from Andhra and Telangana. So that way I speak little bit of Telugu, but not very correctly. I make mistakes also. Okay. Hello, Samita, welcome. So guys, coefficient of variation is nothing but standard deviation by mean into 100. That's it, Laddu, one formula. Is it difficult to remember this? Standard deviation is what? Sigma. Mean is what? X bar into 100. Laddu, such an easy concept, over, finished it. Did you all like it? Yes, Dushyant. Dushyant, this chapter itself is very easy, man. You get all easy questions from this chapter. Okay, so try to solve this, everybody. Come on, people, please try to solve it. Last 2 questions. Okay, and Dushyant, this is a JEE Main question. This is a JEE Mains question. I'm not even kidding. I'm not even kidding, guys. This is a JEE Mains question. Okay, so try to solve it. Let's see if you guys can complete it. Sid, standard deviation is square root of variance. Both are used to calculate how spread out your data is. So I hope you got the difference. Both are used to measure how spread out your data is. For statistics, standard deviation is very important. That's why we defined it. Okay. What is standard deviation? It is the square root of variance. So they both are not the same, but they give you the same idea. They give you an idea about how spread out your data is. That you should not forget, because that is very important. Okay. Cool. So Praharsha, very good Praharsha. Sendil, no Sendil, check it Sendil carefully. Aditi, Sonu, Aditya, fantastic Aditya. Karishma, you are right. Heshwita, very good. Sindhu, very good. Very good Aditya. Ramesh Pawar, you have to check it Ramesh. Harish, very good Harish. Vedavati, Javane Gowda. HCP, Logeshwari, Shiva, Harish, crack with Gokulnath. Hello, Mohammad Furkan, welcome man. Nice to see you here. Very good Rohit. Rohit is also right. Very good. You guys are awesome, man. Clay Tsunami, don't worry. I will help you. See, coefficient of variance is 30 for the first one, which has a, okay, mean is 30, coefficient of variance is 50. So for the first set, coefficient of variance is 50 and mean is equal to 30. Is that correct, Clay Tsunami? Clay Tsunami, I hope you are able to get it. So can I say 50 is equal to sigma for the first set by 30 into 100? Correct, na? So can I say sigma 1 is equal to 15? Very easy. Correct, na? So sigma 1 is 15. Let's write it down here. Sigma 1, standard deviation for the first set is 15. Now let me do it for the second set. Very simple, nothing great. So for the second set, what do we know? We know that coefficient of variance is 60. And what do we know? We know that the mean for the second set is equal to how much? 25. So 25. So now what is CV? CV is equal to 60, which is equal to sigma 2 by mean 2 into 100. So what will be mean 2? Sigma 2 will be 25 into 60, which is 1500 by 100. So that is also 15. So sigma 2 is also 15. Did you get it? Are you all clear with it? So if I subtract it, I will get 0. I will get 0. Absolutely. Very easy. Simple, right? Are you all able to understand it? Very good. No problem, Rohit. You can check out the recording, but it was a very useful session for revising the entire chapter. Okay. So people, with that, I will give you one final question. Please try to solve it. Come on, guys. Everybody. Again, a typical JEE Main type question. Very good. Tornado, it is a JEE Main question, man. Exactly, formula based. Okay, so try to solve it. Very good, Heshwita. I am glad I was of help to you. Hello, Jagadish. Welcome, Jagadish. Okay. Great to see you guys. Welcome, people. I hope all of you are able to understand it. And in case you have any doubt, let me know. I will try to help you. What do we have here? The sum of the squares of deviations for 10 observations from the mean is 250. That means what? Xi minus x bar whole square summation is equal to 250. Now, what is variance? Variance is equal to sigma xi minus x bar whole square divided by number of terms. So number of terms is 10. Nah? So this is your variance, which is 250 by 10. So I got variance is equal to 25. So what is standard deviation? Standard deviation is root of 25, which is root of variance. So standard deviation is equal to 5. Did you all like it? Did you all like it? Are you all clear with it? Exactly. Yes, Shiva. Are you all clear? Fantastic. Guys, we have sigma equal to 5. Now, what do we want? We want the coefficient of variance. So, coefficient of variance is sigma by x bar into 100. So, sigma is 5. What is x bar? Mean is x bar. So, mean is nothing but 50. So mean is nothing but 50 into 100. So that will be equal to what? That will be equal to 10. So that is exactly what I have here. I hope you guys are all clear with it. Are you all happy? Everybody? Fantastic. Vedavati, Aditi, you guys are all awesome. Supritam, Heshwita, HCP, Furkan, Ramesh, Karijma, great job. Dushyant, it is not A Dushyant, it is B. 10% is the answer. Okay, very good. Fantastic, Clay Tsunami. Now I hope you are clear with this concept. So with that, people, we will conclude the session. In case you enjoyed it, if you want to step up your game, you can check out our crash course. Our JEE Mains crash course is going on currently. It started yesterday. There is one more batch which is starting on June 28th. So we have live teaching with test series, 20 test series, 10 part test and 10 full test. In case you are serious, you want to learn in the best environment, in an organized and regularized way, then you can check it out. Because sometimes in YouTube, some sessions get cancelled, sometimes it gets postponed. That is not, I would say, a very good systematic approach. And you don't have test series as well. In case you want to check it out, where you have assignments immediately being evaluated and you have test series for a very reasonable price, you can check it out. Okay, thank you HCP. I'm so glad you guys enjoyed it. Very good. Sid, I'm glad you guys liked it. Okay. Will NEET be postponed? Yes, Rohit. Mostly it is postponed. Okay. They say it might be in September or something. Okay. Very good. Jagadish, I'm glad you came to the class, man. But check out the replay, you will like it. Yes, Tornado. So people, like I told you, this is the crash course. It is available for a price of 6,000 rupees. If you use my coupon code SJCC, you get flat 40% off. It is starting on 21st June, 28th June also. Okay, and we will complete it before your JEE Mains exam happens. In case you are very serious, sir, I want to get 90 percentile, I want to get 95 and above, then this might be a very good choice for you. I will show you how to join it also. Okay, before you all leave. In case you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, share the video to your friends and give a like if you really enjoyed it. Okay, that would motivate me. That would be a small encouragement for me. Okay, so crash course, we have very experienced teachers teaching Sid. So I am right now involved in YouTube. So I will not be there in the crash course, but you can definitely make use of it. I will show you how to join it. Okay, so you guys can say hi to yourself. This is my video. So you come below the video. If you come below, you can see here, get the JEE crash course is there. So just below the video. So this is the video which is going on. You are all chatting with me. So just come below the video. Here you see get JEE Mains crash course is there. Just click on it. So when you click on it, you can check it out. You can maybe buy whichever course you feel like. Okay, it shows 10,000, but you will get a discount of 4,000. Okay, see automatically the coupon code is applied. The price becomes 6,000. So you can decide, you can choose what you want. If not, YouTube is always there. I will help you here. Okay, very good Dushyant. Dushyant, now you are correct. Okay, so people, like I told you, utilize the crash course. Like I said, this is probably the last 2 months of your entire schooling life. Whatever you do now will have an impact in your future. Okay, so give it the best. And if you are getting a very nice experience here in YouTube channel, come here, I will teach you for free. YouTube is free. But if you are really wanting a test series to compare yourself and to learn in a competitive environment, then crash course might be better. For 6,000, you are getting teaching, assignment, Tattva material and test series. So that way you guys can check it out. Crash course will be complete lectures, Shashidhar. It will cover all the chapters for JEE Mains in 2 months time. Okay, so check it out. Maybe you will like it. Maybe it can give you the final push you're looking for. Got it? But I will leave it to you. I am always there in YouTube. I will support you and help you no matter what. Okay, so I love you guys. Take care. All the very best. And I hope you guys achieve whatever you dream of. I would love to see you all again tomorrow for amazing sessions, 3 of them which are planned. Okay, so take care guys. Bye bye. All the best.